Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable wireless internet connection in your Windows 10 or 11. So let's begin our video. First of all, you just need to go on your search option and you just need to type control panel, then open it. So after open your control panel, if you find your interface like that, you just need to select this one, and then you can see network and sharing center. Select it. Right now select change adapter settings. Right now you can find Wi-Fi option. So if you can see this is not enable, you just need to right click on your mouse on here, then you can find option enable on here. In my case it's already enabled, that's why it's showing disable. And if your Wi-Fi is not enabled, you can find here enable option and you can easily enable from here. So I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.